House on the Reservoir, a remarkable dwelling on a small peninsula in Colombia's La Fe Reservoir. This is a site defined by dramatic shifts. Fog, intense sun, heavy rain, and cold nights can all occur in a single day. Rather than fighting these conditions, the architects at Obranegra Arquitectos use them as a design partner. The home's geometry and placement were dictated by the peninsula's shape and the band of pine, eucalyptus, and myrtle trees along the shore, creating a strategy of adaptation rather than imposition. The architecture is composed of two distinct, displaced volumes linked by a glazed corridor. This approach avoids a single, imposing form, making the building feel as if it grew organically from the site. One volume houses the social spaces, an open, continuous area for living and dining with unobstructed reservoir views. The second, more private volume contains the bedrooms, with transparent facades facing both the garden and the forest, while the connecting corridor acts as a hinge, framing views and encouraging movement through the house. The sloping roof is the home's defining element, following the terrain's gradient to channel rainwater back to the reservoir, while its wide overhangs shield against sun and rain. These generous eaves create covered terraces and corridors, transitional spaces that blur the boundary between interior and exterior. The roof emphasizes the verticality of the surrounding forest, creating a humble, integrated presence rather than an imposing one, while the plain prioritizes transparency, allowing the landscape to become a constant visual companion. The material palette is deliberately restrained: board-formed concrete, pine wood, and steel. Concrete provides thermal mass, absorbing heat by day and releasing it during cold nights. Pine, used in roofs, floors, and walls, enhances acoustics, and adds warmth. Steel frames offer structure and visual clarity. These materials are left raw and honest, celebrating their natural texture. This is a house for contemplation and pause, a place to live in harmony with a volatile, beautiful landscape, proving that restraint and respect for nature can produce a home that is both spectacular and serene.